Hi, I'm Natalie Lucier, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use PopupAlly to integrate with your email marketing service provider. So the really cool thing about PopupAlly is that it helps you build your list faster, but that means you need a list to begin with. So that means you need a service like Mailchimp or Aweber or MadMimi or iContact or GetResponse, something that will collect the email addresses that people enter into your opt-in boxes. Now this is not optional. You need to sign up for one of these services. They're sometimes free, sometimes they're paid. It really depends on how many people you have on your list at the moment. And if you're starting from scratch, take a look below this video for my recommendations and which of these services are the best in my opinion based on where you're at in your business. So let's say you've got this email service provider set up. Now I'm going to show you where to put the code so that you're actually capturing the emails into your list as people are clicking around and opting in on PopupAlly. So here we are, we've got our first pop-up set up. You can totally go through all of these different settings, but the place where you'll want to go to is Style Settings. So here I am inside of Mailchimp, and I have a couple of different email lists set up here. So I'm going to use this test account, and I'm going to go here and choose Sign Up Forms. The first thing we'll want to do is create a general form. So this is what came out of the box. Now you'll want to match up the email and the first name, but not the last name. So what I recommend is clicking on it and removing it. Great, so at this point I've got just first name and email, which matches up with what's going to be in PopupAlly. So I'm going to head back over to my list. Now we're going to go back under Sign Up Forms. And this time we're going to go under Embedded Forms. So here you'll see we've got email and first name, and this is the copy and paste code to put onto your site. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and copy this, and then when I go back into PopupAlly under Sign Up Form HTML, I just hit paste. It will find the first name field and the email field, and that's all you have to do to start connecting it to your email list service. Hit Save Changes and you're good to go. Now let's say you're using Aweber. It's a very similar process. So you want to click Create a Sign Up Form, and I have name and email. That's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. Go to step 2. We can name the form, choose the thank you page, and go ahead and go to step 3. And this is where you want to say, I will install my form. And the important thing to grab here is not the JavaScript snippet, but the raw HTML version. And more importantly, you'll want to uncheck this section here because we don't want the form styling. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this and then head back over to our PopupAlly Sign Up Form HTML. Hit paste, and as you'll see, it'll find the name and the email automatically again, and then just go ahead and hit save, and you will be using your new Aweber integration. So that's all you need to know to start using PopupAlly and start building your list faster with the free version of PopupAlly. And of course, if you want even more customization, you'll want to go over to PopupAlly.com to sign up for the pro version, which has a lot more functionality and tons of great things. For example, you don't need to have a name field if you don't want one. You can add any number of new fields if you do. So definitely go and check that out. Thanks for watching and enjoy PopupAlly.